In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a resume template on Canva. This process is straightforward and requires just a few minutes of your time, making it perfect for those who need to quickly update their resume without any hassle. Let's dive right in and explore how you can efficiently use Canva's features to create a polished and professional resume. First, we need to open Canva. If you haven't already signed up, you'll want to create an account which is free and takes just a moment. Once you're logged in, head over to the Canva homepage. Here you'll notice a search bar at the top. Simply type in resume and press enter. This will bring up a variety of resume templates that Canva offers. They range from simple and elegant designs to more creative and colourful ones, so you have plenty to choose from depending on your personal style or the type of job you're applying for. Next, take a moment to browse through the available templates. You'll see that they cover many different styles and layouts, so try to select one that best aligns with your personal branding or the industry you are targeting. Once you find a template that catches your eye, click on it to view it in more detail. You'll see a button that says customize this template. Go ahead and click it. This will open the template in Canva's design editor, which is where all the customization magic happens. Now that you have the template open, it's time to customize it with your personal information. Replace the placeholder text with your own details such as your name, contact information, education, work experience, and skills. Canva's interface is user-friendly, and editing text is as simple as clicking on the section you want to update and typing in your information. Be sure to pay attention to the font style and size to maintain a consistent look. You can also adjust colors and fonts to match your personal or professional style, and add or remove elements like icons or sections to better suit your needs. Remember to keep it professional and easy to read, ensuring that whoever lays eyes on your resume will see the best representation of you and your capabilities. After you've finished customizing your resume, it's a good idea to go back through it one last time, check for any spelling or grammatical errors, and make sure all the information is accurate and up to date. Finally, click the download button in the top right corner and select your preferred file format. PDF is usually the best option for resumes, as it preserves formatting across different devices. In just a few steps, you have made a professional looking resume that is sure to impress. You now know how to utilize Canva's tools to create a resume that stands out. Thank you for following along, and best of luck with your job applications.